This is the Airmoto portable tire inflator, and it's great to have in your car at all times. It's really compact and stores really easily. It comes with a USB to USB-C charging card, a little duster port, a needle so you can inflate balls. It also comes with a bag so you can store it in here, and when you're not using the entire inflator tube, it stores in this little hole here so you can keep everything nice and secure. It also comes with an LED light so you can use that if it's dark when you need to use the inflator. With a max pressure of 120 psi, you should be able to inflate everything you need with this tire inflator. Today we're going to be inflating my truck tires from 32 to 35 psi because they're a little bit low. I'm going to connect up the inflator here, thread it on, turn it on, hold the power button down. You can change the units that you're in by pressing this button at the top here, so psi, bar, kPa, and kilograms per centimeter squared. Going to go in psi. Then at the bottom here, you can change between a car, bike, and then a ball. They're preset pressures. Or you can go down here to the custom, press the plus or minus, and that's going to change. So, or we could just use the car preset by pressing this button at the bottom, which is already at 35. 35 here, and then read it at the top here, saying the tire is actually at 33 psi. So to inflate the tire, we just press this button here. Then it will automatically shut off once it gets to the right pressure, and you can just remove this. Store the inflator tube in here. And so, turn it off by holding the button down. And then store it in the bag until you need to inflate a tire again. This Airmoto is a great inflator to have in your car in case of an emergency. Make sure you can always inflate your tire if it does go flat or is just a little bit soft, because nobody wants to have a soft tire when driving. So if you do need a compact, portable inflator, I'd highly recommend you get one of these Airmoto tire inflators.